First Alert Forecast, sponsored by Carrier, Ohio. Find the Carrier factory authorized dealer in your neighborhood today at carrierohio.com.
All right, live look right now, downtown Cleveland, way in the distance here. Dan absolutely mentioned it correctly there. It would be nice to have some quiet weather as we head through the end of the week into the upcoming weekend. But unfortunately, at least in parts of the country, that's not going to be the case, especially here and especially up across the north and east. Visibility not bad. We've got some rain throughout the day today. Still pretty mild, though. However, we're focused here on the 19 First Alert weather days, Thursday and Friday, as we are tracking cold Arctic air, lake effect snow squalls, cold and windy. And, you know, winds are going to be a big deal here as we head through tomorrow into Thursday into Friday. We could have wind gusts 40s and 50s, especially along the lake shore. That means wind chills falling into the teens and 20s. Travel impacts, blizzard-like conditions out there as well. So here's a look at First Alert Future View in those snow squalls specifically. First Alert Future View starting tomorrow morning, pretty warm. We're in the 50s, but by 11 a.m. we're in the 40s, and then by 4 p.m. we're in the 30s. So you kind of get the picture tomorrow. We're going to see those temperatures fall through the day. Then we're going to start to get a little bit of snow. Now, it's not going to snow a lot tomorrow at all. We'll have a few flakes flying around, especially later on. But watch the bands start to get their act together, mainly overnight Wednesday into Thursday. This is 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Unfortunately, turkey trotters, upper 20s, low 30s with some snow showers out there. I do think as we head through Thanksgiving Day, conditions actually go downhill quite a bit, especially along the lake shore in the snow belt. Now, outside of that, Medina, Akron, Worcester, Canton, we're not getting anything other tand cold wind and some cloud cover. So the farther south you go, the better the weather will be. And then 4 p.m. on Thanksgiving Day, this is a pretty good burst of snow in and around greater Cleveland, certainly through Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties, and then all the way up there into western Pennsylvania. And this is 8 p.m. on Thanksgiving night. This could be a pretty good burst of snow, again, mainly from the west side through Cuyahoga County, eastern Cuyahoga County, into Geauga County, and then back off to the east. So nasty stuff. Friday morning, we still have some lingering lake effect snow that we'll have to keep in the forecast throughout much of the day. As far as our snow tracker goes, take a look at these numbers. This is by Friday evening. You can see the bullseye here in Geauga County, 6 to 10 plus inches. Lesser amounts certainly west, but 2 to 5 for greater Cleveland. Then obviously up Interstate 90, all bets are off here into western PA and up into New York. A lot more than that. 1 to 3 Akron and North, Medina North 1 to 3, 1 to 2 through Lorain County. And then outside of that, very little, maybe up to a half an inch or an inch. This is a pure lake effect event. Near 50 tonight, still mild. Highs tomorrow reaching once again into the low 50s. Falling temps through the day. Alerts in effect Thursday, Friday. Weekend, some late day snow. Wintry mix for the Browns and Niners on Sunday. And we stay cold into next week as well. Calendar coming up at 5:30.